Tiffany Tate. I'm 25 years old and I'm running the Marine Corps Marathon October 26, 2013. I'm really excited about this race because it's for a great cause and we're raising money for Giving to the Extremes. I started running when I came to college because I had gained a lot of weight and I just fell in love with running when Josh, my husband, when he went overseas. I just felt like it was a good thing to take my mind off of him being gone, and I ran my first marathon in April, just about a few months after he left. He was very proud. I think, of course, part of him was just he was there at the marathon to cheer me on. It's just a big stress reliever. It's a great goal. It just keeps me motivated to keep pushing my body and become a stronger person. Just thought I'll just run my marathon and that will be a check off the bucket list. But after I ran the marathon, I just fell in love with it and I wanted to sign up for more. During my training, the main thing I wanted to focus on was consistency. So I'm doing the same thing with this training, except I'm adding in more strength training. Probably the hardest part about training is finding the time. I am very busy I'm working on my MBA right now. I work a full-time job. The hardest step is the first one out the door. So I always try to tell myself if I can get out the door, then I can finish the workout, and most of the time that's true. Training has impacted my personal life it's just giving me more confidence. It's also contagious. My mom ran her second 5K not that long ago, and she's also signed up for every single race. She's really got into running as well. My dad started biking. My husband has started biking and running and lifting overseas. And a lot of my friends have also signed up for races, and I'm really excited to run it with them. Giving to Extremes is a medical charity that funds surgical missions to impoverished nations around the globe. It does this by bringing together two remarkable and dedicated groups of people who are eager to take on a challenge, which are the athletes and medical volunteers. It feels amazing to be a part of this outreach. I have not been given the gift to perform surgeries or to help people medically, but I am glad that I can raise money by simply moving my feet. I want to raise as much money as possible to give back to this cause and help people around the world get surgeries so that they can live happy and healthy lives.